1 million subscribers in 1 minute. So I'm gonna first put a timer. Search your channel. Take the screenshot. Search any other channel that has 1 million subscribers. दोनों का screenshot लें and then open PicsArt. Before opening PicsArt, close off your internet because you don't want ads. PicsArt has ads. Take your photo और इसको स्क्वायर फीट में डालें और कलर से करके एडजस्ट कर लें. Now add your 1 million subscribers. Before adding, crop it like a crop it like a target. 1 minute. Sorry guys, it's gonna take more than 1 minute. Okay, opacity adjust 1 minute. Done. 1 million subscribers in 1 minute. Subscribe.